Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. As we said in our weekly research that we have dedicated to the Kiwi dollar, we said it's probably daily videos should be enough to keep a finger on the pulse of the gold market, because on the longer term charts we do not see significant changes, but at the same time the short term setups that we have on the gold market is very attractive, because we have the clear patterns, guys, that have been formed and is forming right now on the daily chart. That will let us to suggest the price action on the gold market. So actually market has completed our expectations. We said it's probably retracement should happen sooner rather than later, because previously we've got significant drop, and as market will reach the destination point for the previous week, we said that's two, if you remember, two levels that we have watched for. 1293 confidence resistance was here. Next one, monthly pivot point. It's also daily oversold was. And indeed, in the last week, as you can see, market has reached this level and turned down. Right now, as you can see on the daily chart, we've got bearish engulfing pattern. And in general, this construction, if we wouldn't have this deep retracement, this construction we could treat some kind of the maybe Judd Napoli bread and butter look-alike bread and butter sell trade, but Judd Napoli applies really strict conditions to price action of the bread and butter, so it needs to be smooth thrust out without no big retracements. It needs just free close above the 3x3 moving average to reach the fib level. Here we don't have we haven't met these conditions, but in the general, guys, as the bread and butter trade, as another trade after a significant rally or just plunge, is based on the momentum. And here we could get some kind of the example of the momentum trade. Since drop down exists, the first retracement up after the significant drop, it means that after this first action, market has big chance to show deep retracement. And the appearing of the bearish engulfing pattern suggests that really could happen, because you know the target of the engulfing pattern is the length of the bars. So if you will count it somewhere to the downside, you will see that's probably some kind of the 618 level of this most recent upward action could be reached, and that in fact means the deep retracement and some kind of the bread and butter. So that's the first trade that we could keep an eye on, especially if you trade on the intraday charts. At the same time, guys, if you will take a look at the weekly chart, you will see, I could even show you that this construction, this action is nothing more but perfect morning star pattern. So take a look on the weekly chart. Here you could see it, right? So here's morning star, 3 candles pattern. The morning star usually acts in the same manner as the engulfing, and it has approximately the same target, but do not forget, I mean the length of the bars, but don't forget that this is weekly chart, guys. And usually the action with the morning star on the intraday charts will take shape some kind of the ABCD. So usually after pattern has been formed, market shows minor return back inside of the body of this pattern. That becomes the BC leg on the intraday charts, and then we usually get some kind of the ABCD. So I will show you. So combination of this pattern on the weekly chart and that pattern daily on here lets us to create the forecast of the possible price action on the intraday chart. So we'll take a look at the hourly chart. That is, guys, bearish engulfing, right? So after it has been formed, we expect some return back inside of the engulfing, right? Some kind of the retracement, and it probably will take shape some kind of the head and shoulders could appear here, right? At the same time, we expect deeper retracement, because this is the first upward action after strong plunge on the daily, and that probably will take the shape of some kind of the ABCD, right? This ABCD pattern will complete moving of the market back inside of the weekly pattern, right? And then big CD leg should start based already on the weekly chart. So as a result of this action, this ABC retracement, we could get perfect godless triple 2 buy pattern. It's not necessary that it will be AB equals CD. Maybe it will be AB 1618 CD or 127. The major condition, guys, is that CD leg should stay inside of this swing. That, in this case, this godless triple 2 buy will work, and the weekly Morningstar will work, and we will get some kind of the high ABCD pattern. So as you can see, a lot of opportunities for trading. So if you're trading on the daily chart, on the daily hourly chart, you could wait when the market will hit the support. So maybe this will be weekly pivot support 1. Starts retracement up here, you could think about taking short with this ABCD. As soon as market will complete the target of this potential hand shoulders, here maybe some minor reversal patterns will appear. That will let you to reverse your position and take the position on extended action based on the weekly chart. That's our trading plan on the gold market. That's the patterns that we will be watching for within the probably on this week and maybe even on the next week.